you up on game. This is the good stuff from BET presents the Encore. Woo! Baby! I'm giving away all of my love to you.
You can get all that. There's nothing wrong with it. Yes.
Serenade, serenade.
Serenade, serenade.
All right, so we're gonna get into the first track off the EP. It is Bird's Eye View, which was a fan favorite before the album, and I think it's still a fan favorite. It was written by Cosign and the Twins. The song is really cute. I'm not gonna even hate on it. The entire EP is cute, let's be honest. The first verse of it has like a in the pocket off beat kind of. That sounds bad, but it works, especially when Keily comes in.
They don't know what it took to get here. They don't know the things that I dealt with.
If you listen to it, I'm like, it's kind of like off a little, but she fits perfect. Her voice, Keily did that. I love how Shamari starts the song. Keily really made the song pop.
They don't know what it took to get here. All this here could be gone tomorrow. All you see are half.
Hats off to you. Only thing I was missing on this one was I wish Bird's Eye View had Shamari at the end doing those ad-libs going in. I don't think she got her chance to shine. And with vocals like that, why not? So, first song on the EP, Bird's Eye View. On a scale of damn to damn. It gets it. Damn. Because it starts off good. It's a good song. The song's about like not flaunting your money, but being proud of what you've worked for and what you have. And kind of like looking down. Like, I'm used to looking down. It's not new for me to be above you. Like, excuse me. I've been above these bitches. Shady, but cute. The first line is, got them gassing up the yacht. Bitch, they gassing up yachts? Oh, they got money. Shamari talking about that BBD. Bell Biv DeVoe money. Okay. So, that's pretty much it about that song. It's a really good song. I think it's probably gonna end up being a single, if they have singles. Who knows?